Welcome back, everyone. Well, sorry I'm late, but I think we did not miss anything here. This was a risky move anyways, so... So, what happened? I think we had a better number than expected with the CPI, if I'm correct. But let me check it once again. Yeah. 211,000. The number. Which I think is a good number. Alright. What else do we have here? Hey there, Dominic. What's going on? Oops, sorry. Have you seen the scenarios? Oh, I didn't. I was not at the computer. Well, let me check it. Oh yeah, I see that now. Okay. First scenario. Okay. Yeah, now liquidity haven't taken string yet until before I wanted to see price interaction with London. Yeah. That's actually a good point there, what you did. So, could be seeing some movement. Let me read it. 20 stop below PDL would be reasonable. Yeah, that's actually a good plan there. Let me see the other picture you sent here. PDL gets hit, reverse. Yeah, I'm gonna update myself. We kind of technically, I think we found us on the lower wick today. Yeah, I'm reading it now, and actually it does make some sense here. Inky, hey there. You trade only ES? I do trade ES too, rarely, but I do sometimes. It took out the previous day low, so the 50% retracement level is still up there and haven't really made a new high, so I could expect ES to go higher from here. Let me just check something real quick. Just a second. Just a second. All right. So far we're retracing lower. Maybe we're going back to the 190. I'm gonna check the okay. Just a second. Hold on. Trying to find a reasonable trade here. And not just trade a setup. Just give me a minute. Right there with you. All right. Let me check. We're going back up there, right? Seems like we are. Seems like we are going. We should be hitting the 50% fib level. And look at this, ES should be taking those highs up there. Quite interesting. All right. It's going. We're almost at 62, so it's going as well. Hold on. We have to wait for market open anyway. It would be foolish to do anything before that. All right. Uh, 52.32. Yeah, somewhere there. 31.32 should be the 50% retracement level of this move. Maybe a little higher because we just poked and we just made a new low. So if I want to be correct on this one, I should say that maybe even lower. I would like to see it at 29 to be safe, you know, just to make sure everything goes as planned for ES. And as for Nasdaq, I still see the... It didn't make a new low, so I still see the 62 level as a possibility. No, I don't trade the news, McLovin. I don't like to trade the news. It's pretty much a gamble, so I'm just leaving it at that. So I don't really like to trade the news. Why do I have connection issues again? I don't know. Sometimes these connection issues are a little bit annoying. But anyway. So from this point, it's a little bit sketchy to try to determine what's going to happen. Mario, hey there. I'm doing okay. We had a very, very crappy London session, and now news came out. I'm just getting ready to search for some trades. news was better than expected on this, on the PPI, sorry, unemployment claims. So I'm still bullish overall. I would think that we should see price going through all these areas. So yeah. I wonder if it's gonna go higher or not. The 62 maybe higher would be the 50% retracement level. Hard to say. But anyway. ES has a bigger chance to go, I think. Typical market open. All right, it made it to the 62s. The question remains, where does it want to go from here? We're gonna have to wait it out. She's trying. Yeah, but at least we got to the 50% level, so could be interesting. If we see a displacement lower, I don't know. Could be going lower from here, but I was really liking those levels up there, but could be the scenario what like NQ wants to test the lows again. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But this London session, guys, oh my god, it was so terrible. I'm actually glad that we made it through, because it was terrible. Even if I say like, yeah, before the news event, now everything was pretty much crazy. Feels heavy to me too, actually. It feels heavy. So I'm gonna check both the ES and the Nasdaq too. maybe we'll see some movement. I don't know. Most likely not until the market open. Hey Greg, hola. But the only thing is, like, on the 15-minute and on the 1 hour, we have these order blocks up there, which I like. Those ones are great. And so makes me wonder that maybe, just maybe, it can go and attack those levels. What kind of news do we have still for today? Oh yeah, we have FOMC member talking at 10 a.m. Oh my god. Dude, the National Council of Textile Organizations. National Council of Textile Organizations. So I don't think it's going to be that specific. Okay. And we have the bond auction in the PM session. All right. That's going to be interesting. Okay. All right. Nothing to do. Just waiting. Just the boring part. Yeah, I mean, I would say it's volatile, Paulius, but you know, look at this. We were consolidating since CPI, and you know, we had the fireworks go off with the news right here. I don't know. Where can we go from here? That's the big question. That's the big question. Where is the next target? Everybody wants to know. I'm still bullish. I want to see it go to the 380s on the 15-minute. And first of all, to the 355, the hourly order block. That's even closer. I want to see it go there. I'm bullish here. Pretty much bullish on this one. 355. Yeah, about 100 points minimum. I'm expecting this one to go. But I'm waiting with the entry for now. Don't forget it, guys. There's a discount during the whole month with MyFundedFutures. You can use my link and code, and all the starter accounts are for the same price, $50, which is great. Which is awesome. Awesome, awesome. What just happened here? All right. Don't think it will break through 250. This level could be holding. That's true. Donrick, that is true. This level could be holding. Oh, by the way, McLovin, I'm sorry. I wanted to start earlier, but I was being held up, unfortunately. I was just reading. I was being held up with some family issues again. Sometimes it's hard to do everything at once, but yeah. But even if I would have started at around 8 a.m., I would not have taken a trade, most likely. So we didn't miss anything. Good afternoon, George. Good afternoon. Yeah, held up making babies. I wish. Can't do that all day, you know. My neighbor is not cutting the grass right now, but hold on. I have to check the window. Just a second. All right, check the window. Good morning, Clarity. How is everybody doing on this beautiful morning? Hope you guys are okay. So, look at that. Breaking through this level, 265. I do feel like we could be going a little bit higher here. Am I wrong? Maybe I'm wrong. Would be nice to see it go to 356-ish area. 355 maybe. I'd like to see that. Look at that. Look at that move. What's it doing? All right, all right. Let's see. Going to 356 maybe. Ah, that's my target, definitely. Peter, hey there, happy trading, Tom. Did I win the giveaway? Unfortunately, no. We did actually 2 giveaways, 2 cash prizes for BULENOX. I could have done like more, but that's the issue with these things, the cash prizes, because I mean, not a big deal, but I promised $20 cash prize because the BULENOX accounts, the 50Ks, are $17.50. And so the guys who were winners, I could only send them because they could only receive crypto. And so to be able to send 20 USDT, so Tether, you have to buy USDT, you have to send it to their wallet, and of course I wanted to cover their fees because sending USDT is extremely expensive and I couldn't do it on the Tron network. So to be able to send 20 USDT, I had to spend 41 USDT. 41 USDT. Because I covered the transaction fees for them as well. So if I could have sent it directly to a debit card deposit, I would have sent $50 to buy a MyFundedFutures starter account. But anyway, yeah. So it's not their fault or not anybody's fault, but that's why I don't really like to do crypto giveaway. So next time, I don't think I'm going to do the giveaway with the cash prize in crypto, because if I do it in USD or USD coin or USDT, the transaction is so high, it's not a big amount, it's a small amount. So PayPal, debit card transfer, or international bank wire, it's even cheaper. So those 3. I mean, it's not that it's nice or not. I just really, if I send 20 to them, they cannot cash it out because the transaction fee is going to eat up the account. But anyway, next time, I'm not sure I'm going to do crypto transaction because it's double the amount. If I want to give away $20, it's $41 actually. So no. But there will be giveaways, guys. There will be giveaways. But next time, debit card deposit or PayPal or wire transfer. Those will be the options. All right. What is happening? All right, let's wait. Market is about to open in 14 minutes. Oops. Oh my god. I just moved my desk. Oh my god, it was dangerous. Alright, let's see. What is going on here? So, we're gonna wait for the market open. And then I'm hoping we will get an entry, maybe to visit that order block higher. Let's see. Oh, where's my calculator? All right, let's go. Let's go. Let the market open finally. I want to see some movements here. Okay, so far nothing. Hello, Joseph. Time too long. I would like to see it go right up to this order block. It can be seen on the 5-minute, also on the 15-minute, and also on the 1 hour. So if you check the 5, the 15, and the 1 hour, maybe it's on the 13 or 30-minute too. There you go, it's on the 30-minute too. So I want to see it go higher, yes, but no entry for now. Maybe here, this tight one on this 5-minute gap, but I'm not sure. I'm just anticipating the move here. Still like 10 minutes to go, and not sure where this is gonna end. This is the 5-minute. And this area is really interesting to me. I want to see that. All right, all right. Hopefully we will get some action here in the New York session, hopefully. The London session was absolute garbage. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Still less than 8 minutes. Oh, guys. What to do? Let's check ES. Interesting. If we look at the 1 hour ES, we still have buy side right here. So buy side liquidity at 26. Right below, well, not exactly below, but I would say somewhere below the 50% level. So yeah. Not far, 10 handles away. 10 handles away. Can it go there? Sure. Can it go down? Sure. News candle took out the previous day low. This could be continuing higher. And if it does, I'll be there. I'll be there. Somebody pulled the plug again. Should be going to the 56. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try to do this. What am I talking about? I don't even know. I should be buying a few more accounts from Apex too. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. This is getting to be a little bit annoying, to be honest. Like, it's not really the day when... I mean, in the past couple of weeks, what I realized is that the New York AM sessions are pretty much... I mean, today London was crap, I know. But the New York AM sessions are pretty much not doing anything. I mean, unpredictable price action. The news are messing up everything. Many times I see that the PM session actually offers the clean move that we want to chase. So it's really messed up. Judith, hi there. Good to see you. How you doing? How is your trading nowadays, Judith? I see you now every now and then, but I don't really know how is trading going for you. Always like to ask the lady traders. All right, less than 2 minutes to go. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but there's going to be an opening bell, which is going to be super loud, super loud. And I would advise everyone to cover your ears because it's going to be super loud. It's going to last for 12 seconds. So as I said, I'm gonna stay bullish. I'm around almost every day. Oh, not too chatty. No problem there, Judith. I'm trading gold, scalping, but oh, thank you so much, Judith. Thank you. That feels good, actually. That feels good. I know I'm that kind of person too. I like to lurk around in many other traders' stream, but I'm not the chatty person. But I do check on everyone. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I told you it's loud. All right, let's see. The levels that I'm looking for are somewhere around, I mean, above 350. If it wants to go higher, if it wants to retrace down to the news candle, we should be seeing the 191-ish levels. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Price is still pretty much not moving. On the 5-minute there was a small gap. Could be acting as a possible support. All right, now it started to go down a bit. Does it want to drop? There is liquidity below 207 on the 5-minute. If it wants to go lower. For now, it seems pretty much unpredictable. This is also like a market structure shift on the 1-minute. So if it wants to go lower, it has to take out the, which level is that? The 208 maybe? Somewhere around there. 208. But maybe not. Reprice that gap. Let's see where it wants to go. Small gap here that it actually repriced. Right there. Let's see if it holds. Doesn't seem like it wants to hold for now. Actually, I think it wants to go up. Could this be an inversion? It did sweep a little bit of the lows. ES still didn't reach those highs. So we're just waiting. This should have been a short in a beautiful world, but this is not it. At least not yet. So the question remains, where does it want to go? If it wants to go to, for example, to the 300s. Totally forgot that we have the 300 here. As a level. Left ray. So there's the 300. Is it gonna go or not? Looks a strong level, but no entry still. There was a small inversion down there, but that's not a clean entry. Indecisive, everything. Gotta be patient, guys, before we take anything here. Maybe I'm gonna do it on the trade await account. I haven't touched that, so I left it for the New York sessions. Feels heavy. Is it gonna drop? Because if it drops, it has to go through 209-ish to go back to the news candle. There was no retracement to the news candle. It's just a whole number. Nothing important there, George. Nothing important. No, yeah, nothing special. It's just a whole number. It's just a whole number. All right, still waiting. I'm eager to scalp this, but oh no, not this one. To scalp this, but I'm not sure about the direction. I'm gonna go with this. Could this go down? I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay, so we do go down below 209. Just a second here. I want to try something. Okay, okay. Oh, there it is. Wanted to log back into my TradeAwait account here, which is this one. This was a dirty move, to be honest. If someone was short, you could do that from this level. But honestly, I think that's dangerous. Good morning, Crypto Panda. How you doing? Kalek, 780. Nice. Oh my god, that's awesome. I have to give you an applause. Congratulations for those profits. You should be walking away for the day. Congrats, congrats. I still don't know where this one wants to go. It seemed like a short, but there's a lot of indecision. Maybe everyone waits for that Fed member to speak. I don't know. I'm still bullish to reach that 1 hour order block up there at the 50s. It can go, I'm sure. Come on, come on. So many indecision in the market again. So many indecision, guys. I would really like to take a trade, at least to put this TradeAwait account into some profits. But so many indecisions. This should be going. That's the problem with the market opens usually. For the first 15 minutes or something like that, there is a lot of indecision in the market, and you have to wait until everything clears up. You have to wait for later. If it's gonna do the same like in London, that we're just gonna go sideways, which I think it will, then oh wow, that's gonna be a tough one. That's going to be a tough one. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Is it going to... I mean, these kind of candles are definitely confusing. Just don't really know which direction to take. Still inside this box. Nothing is moving. Everything is sideways. Terrible price action. I was expecting more, at least after the day, after CPI. I was expecting some clean moves. It's not happening so far. Maybe when that FOMC member is going to speak, maybe we'll see something better, but nothing special until then, it seems like it. I can't even scalp this. It's unscalpable. It's totally unscalpable. Anyway, until we're waiting, make sure to subscribe, like the stream, and you know the drill. Get some accounts, use the codes. Good discounts are going still. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, guys, this is just so bad. This is so bad. Nothing is working out as it should. Nothing, I mean, it's working out, but it's not moving. What can we do at times like this? Not much. Not much. Today is Thursday, of course. Tomorrow is Friday. That means we're gonna have the London stream on schedule. I'm just scheduling the London stream until we're waiting for tomorrow. Which is great. It's very hard to do anything. It's very hard to do anything until we're waiting. Sorry. Until we're waiting, how about I'm gonna insert an ad. Can you guys support me by watching the ad? I mean, not clicking through on it. Thank you so much. You can click on it too. One ad in the AM session and one in the PM. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ad is coming in 3, 2, 1. Still in that range. I don't know what to do with this range, guys. Oh well, Giddy, I'd like to tell you, but I don't even know yet, because look at this. We're inside of this range here. I do like to go long. To be honest, I'm favoring the long positions. So I might do that with micros, even with the market order. I still don't know. But I do have this account here as well with MyFundedFutures, this 50K account. So I'm willing to send it towards 356. You know what? I'm going to start, maybe I'm going to start build up a position with one micro. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's really hard to say. All right. I'm going to enter a long. Only with one micro, and I'm gonna use a sell stop right there. Look at that, come on, man. I enter and it immediately goes against me. I thought if we take out these intermediate swing highs there, oh my god, it's terrible, terrible, terrible. It's only one micro, guys, so I'm down about $40, so it's manageable. It's not a big deal, but I was so hoping at that level. Please do not copy trade me. This was a terrible idea. This is what happens when you're not patient enough. So if I lose this, I should not be losing more than around $80 or 90-ish. Yeah, the reason why I was looking for these longs is because if you look at the 15-minute, even the 5-minute, the 30 or the 1 hour, there is an order block up there to the left. And everything is above somewhere 355, 350-ish levels, so above there. FOMO, Crypto Panda, a little bit. But this area up there is what I want to see. And that's why I entered on a terrible position, but that doesn't change my perspective. I would like to see these levels higher. So it's only a small trade. It's not a big deal, but I'm bullish overall. And my big picture analysis tells me that we should be going back into the 5/15-minute order block / 1 hour order block up there. That is why I entered the trade. It's not based on ICT or anything. It most likely based on higher time frame analysis and going with my gut feeling. Do you keep an eye on the dollar index? Sometimes, not always. Not always. Money. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name. Money. Not always, but I'll try to. I know the dollar index is an important factor, and I know many traders are looking at the dollar index, but we do have a volume imbalance here in this area where the dollar is right now. So if it's repricing that area, that could be causing some trouble here on Nasdaq. At least 310. Yeah, that would be a good one. If it would go above the 300, I might even put it to break even, but for now it's pretty much sideways. I'm willing to risk this one micro trade. It's not a big deal. Worst case scenario, I go down to $110, if I'm correct about the calculations. So I'm down. Still would be around 50k, so this account doesn't really matter. But I wanted to take this to a little bit higher. All right. This is trading, guys. Sometimes it could be a very, very tricky game. Micro, one micro. So my stop loss is around $100 and $110. This is an evaluation account still from MyFundedFutures. It's around break even, so not a huge deal. But I want to target the next week. There's going to be funded accounts on live stream and onward from that. So next week, funded account trading, guys, with small size as always, and the daily recap videos are coming too. So what I like to do here, I mean, my narrative is still the same. Actually, the 349, which is my target, is pretty much a safety target, low-hanging fruit, because that's the start of the first order block, which is the 1 hour. But we still have others up there. And we have the big one at 18,500. So all right, it's giving in. Oh no. Back to the range. Not looking good. Might be going back to the VWAP. What a terrible price action today, guys. I mean, I, I survived London session, but this one, it's gonna get me. I mean, with this trade. I'm not taking any other trades, only on this account right now. But this one is gonna get me. I'm down $72. It's gonna take me out. If it trades below this wick, could be going back down to below the 91. I'm actually closing this limit order up there. This will be taking me out real fast. I would be surprised if this would not take out this wick here. I would be very, very surprised if that wick would not be taken out. Was there a structure shift? This one actually shifted. So okay, I'm surprised that it didn't take that out. And actually this one would be a classic short entry. I mean, not a classic because it's still not at optimal trade entry level, but I just don't trust the move. Impossible. If this trade survives like this, that would be I mean, I would be amazed. Nothing is moving, guys. Maybe I'm going to update my charts a little bit. How about that? Let's do some chart updates. Would be nice to do something while we're waiting. So I'm going to put the midnight level right there. Color would be that. New York midnight. Yeah, that's it. All right. Anyway, I'll do it later. I'm sticking with the trading view chart right now. But I'm going to be using 1 hour charts too, because that's pretty good too. And the way I see candles printing sometimes is better. Gives a better look. All right, now it should be poking lower. Almost out, hopefully. Out from this misery. All right, finally. Finally, we're out. Let's get back to business. Back to the 1 minute chart. $91 is really close. That's actually close. Feels like it's having trouble to reprice those lower levels. Rejection from around the weave up on the 5 minute, also on the 1 minute, but no touching yet. That's strange. Giddy. Oh no. What? Oh yeah, you're short, of course. You told me you're short. If you were in a sell, where would you anticipate? Well, for the sells, Dunrick, I would say first of all, I'd like to get down to 133, but the safety place would be the whole number and above the order block somewhere at 150. I'd like to see it go down to 150. First target would be 209, then somewhere in the middle 170, and then all the way down to 150. That's what I would like to see. So these would be my targets first, just to get back into the liquidity at 200, below 208. That would be a place to go. That can happen actually. And if you look at the news candle, you know, price has not been offered on this 1 minute candle. So I would say we have a chance for 191 as well. Why not, you know? But it's really just speculation. Can it go down? Of course it can. It can go anywhere. Nobody knows. For now, I would like to see if it goes down below the 208s. At least. If it's not, then I don't know. Yeah, of course, the 15-minute order block. Definitely. No spaceship today, Justin, right? No spaceship. It's really hard to read what price wants to do at this point. As I said, we have the news candle. I on the 1 minute. It's at 190. So could be going there. Not sure. Not sure. But it took out this level now, the 208. And if we look at it closer, on the 5 minute, this was actually lower, so it poked into some liquidity again. But the real news candle on the 1 minute, right there, that should be at 191. So it could be going lower. Higher time frame, we are creating a lower low. Which higher time frame? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. Actually, yes. Especially on the 1 hour. This is a bullish breaker on the 1 hour, so be careful with the shorts. If I see a nice structure shift to the upside inside this bullish breaker on the 1 hour, I would like to target that 355s. So that is my goal. That is what I like to see. That is Ryan trying to anticipate. So let's try to go with that. Just waiting for the move. You know how it is, guys. Can you show which one is the bullish breaker? Oh, sorry, I was away in my mind. Waiting can be strategy too, yeah. Can we get a money bag? Yeah, I'll try to. One of this, yeah. Sorry, Crypto Panda. So here's the bullish breaker. Right here. From here, oh, come on. From here to here, we see this move. Let me show you. So swing high here on the 1 hour. High, lower high, made the lower low here and the higher high here. In between that, we have the fair value gap. So if you put a fib tool into this breaker, then we're just below the 50% level, somewhere around the 61. It's not on my, yeah, actually it's here on the 61. So this is optimal trade entry to go long from here. This is a bullish breaker. This candle here, actually. Broke structure here. Beautiful displacement. I would be looking for long positions after this. Yeah, NQ is at OTE on the 1 hour. Definitely. Yes. It's at an OTE level right now. That is why if I go down to the 1 minute and if I would see a beautiful structure shift to the upside, I would be looking to take a nice long position. So money bag, of course, money bag. I can put a money bag actually. I have a place for it right here. This one. That would be nice. So as for structure, we have one right there. We have the structure. All right, this could be the structure shift finally. There you go. We were waiting for this. But we have to wait until this candle is closing and the next one after this. Is the stream still on? Okay, it's still on. It says I had some connection issues. I don't know. Okay, so we do have the fair value gap that we were waiting for. It's right here. Have to wait for this candle to close. Limit order has been created. It's right there. 2 micros. Let's see if we're gonna get tagged in or not. I'm curious, actually. Still not in the trade. Maybe I should have entered manually, but I'm not in the trade. But this is a nice long entry. Still not tagged in. Still waiting. Come on. We still have the limit order right there. Almost there. Almost. Oh my god, it was so close. It was so close, and it didn't. Okay. Maybe now. Maybe now. Still not. One tick away. Look at this. Wow. Just playing with the nerves right there. I know you want to. So go down there. Yes. Yes, exactly, Justin. Right. I'm looking for a long. There's my limit order at 201.75. My stop loss is at 168. It missed my entry with one tick. Yeah, it's natural sunlight. Actually, I want to put the shaders on. Sorry about that. Just give me a second. All right. I'm in the trade. So let's go with the lights. Getting darker, guys. Darker and darker. All right. Much better. You know, I'm in the sun. I'm in the sun. I'm always in the sun. Well, you know, the London session is cool because the sun is up, and now my office or this room is like the windows is you know, it's looking for west, and right now the time is 4:30 p.m. and you know, as the sun goes down, it's pretty bright here. How tall? I'm 185 centimeters. I don't know how much is that in inch. 185 centimeters. Oh, look at this trade. Finally. Finally, let me put this away. Let's go, trade. I'm above 6 feet. Well, how much is 185? Let me calculate that. 72 inch. 6.06. 6 feet tall. 6.06. Right? So that's how high I am. I'm above 6 feet, guys. Be careful. I'm dangerous, you know. Okay, and why did you fire me from oh, Greg, yeah. Oh, there was an update on the YouTube settings because I had to clear all the mods. I did not have to, but there was a modification. I just got the info from a person who is really an expert in YouTube, and he told me that it's very bad if I put everyone to a moderator. So I should be only using just 1 or 2 mods, because if everybody gets to be a mod, the algorithm don't really like it. I don't know why. Plus, it occurred to me that a standard moderator can do stuff like editing comments, deleting comments. Not that I don't trust any of you guys, maybe 1 or 2, but I don't know. No, actually nothing. But so I wanted to narrow down the mods to 1 or 2 persons, and that's what I did. I just cleared the space, and but rest assured, bro, I thought you were like 5'5" with the chair height. Oh, sorry. I'm just, you know, it's because I'm almost like in bed, this chair. But this is a high chair, and the thing is that it's almost like in 90 degrees. It's almost like in 90 degrees to hold my back, because I really need back support. But if I put it down like this, like on average. Anyway. Oh no, my trade. I thought we were gonna go higher, and we didn't. What was the 2-to-1 risk to reward was? Let me measure the risk to reward here. So the distance here, 135. Okay, so that's a good place. 266. That is something I like as a target. I'm gonna leave this on. You know, whatever happens. Whatever it takes, whatever happens, we're gonna leave this. Beautiful entry. Well, the entry was good, but thank you. But the thing is, the price action itself is not that good. But the entry is good. The entry was good. I think so too. Maybe I should have taken partials. I don't do that nowadays because I'm trying to let it go. It's much simpler for me to manage the trade, manage the outcome. But I would advise anyone to take partials if you can. I'm not taking it, but I know what risk I can take, or mentally what I can take on a trade like this. So yeah. The reason why I leave everything on the table like this, with stop loss, take profit, everything, no partial, is because I want to know at the end of the day if my analysis was correct. And that matters to me more than the profit itself. I know it sounds stupid, but I want to know if my analysis was correct, my entry was correct or not. That the only way to measure it without FOMO is to leave everything on the table. Now, don't follow what I do. This is my personal perspective. But taking partials would have been a smart thing somewhere around 238, 237-ish. Would you take partial if this was a PA account? No. No, I wouldn't. Very good questions. No, I would not take partial. But that is only my personal perspective. Also, I must add that on a funded account, this trade, I would take it with like a small risk, like around $70 or $80 risk. So most likely with 1 micro, not with 2 micros, so half risk. but don't do what I do. In this case, I can take the losses. So I can take more losses. No, let me rephrase it. I rather take more losses than feeling FOMO because I took profits earlier or because the trade was taken out at break even and then reached the target. That's what I meant to say. So I would rather take the loss. All right, it's cool. Ah, damn bugs. But taking partial will make you lose out on winners. Yes, that's true. That's true. Taking partials, if you take partials, only works if you take the rest of the trade to break even. That's the only way it works out, in my opinion. So if you take partials, if I would take partials, I would take the rest of the trade to break even. And in that case, if you take partials and you go with break even, you won't lose, which is a higher win ratio, but the risk to reward ratio is not going to be higher. In fact, I tried it last year many times, so many backtests. If I take partials at 1:1 R and put it to break even, my risk to reward ratio is about 1.2, 1.25, 1.2. But if I leave everything on, no partials, not moving my stop to break even, then I can go with the risk to reward ratio, even if I'm taking early profits a little bit, at least 1.8, sometimes 2, 1.8. So that's also a good thing. I think so. But let's check the higher time frame here. I still want to go with the 1 hour order block up there. So let's go with that. Guys, by the way, push the like button and help out the stream with the like. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That really gives a little bit more exposure to the channel. And if you would like to support, use my links. It's important to click on the links, you know. Use the link and the codes. For any of these prop firms, in the future there will be more. Very good sales going on. TOPSTEP is actually also giving you an additional 20% if you register with a new account, if you use the link. Apex lifetime 80%. BULENOX is good too, but only for the first month. It gives you 90% if you want to YOLO some accounts. But MyFundedFutures is the flagship for now. The true cost of funding is the cheapest with the starters, but the expert account basically has no limitations. Go for that. Use the codes and links and get ready because more giveaways are coming. That's it. That was the commercial. Made 770 yesterday, and no way, dude. Is this, and you're humbly asking me, is this okay? You know? Oh my man. Ijaz, hey, let me tell you, congratulations on the success. I want to give you an applause. You deserve it. Even on eval, or if unfunded, even better. But hey, very nice job. Congratulations there. Of course it's okay. Close the charts, close the computer, and that's it. Enjoy the day. Maybe even the weekend, dude. Oh my god. Get out of here, man. Get out. Just go. Go away. Very nice. Congratulations, really. That's a very good, very good achievement there. You have balls to go for those profits. That's nice. Okay. All right, all right. What is happening? Oh my god. Arin, welcome as a member. Jesus Christ, thank you so much. Welcome on the Winners Club. Good to see you. Oh, that is great. Thank you for joining to the Winners Club. Awesome. Arin, let me give you a support applause. It is the least I can do. Hey, you add so much value to our trading, and I mean, thank you. Those are kind words, really. Thank you so much, and the support really helps. So thank you so much, Arin. Everything helps with the channel. You are great. Cerbertanos, blue 2 accounts going until today. Come on, man. Cerbertanos, come on. You were doing great the other day. I'm still under the impression that we're having Arin amongst our members. Thank you for joining. Thank you, thank you. I'm thinking to buy a new trading monitor. 2 screens. Do you have any suggestions? Oh man, I wish I could help you, DM. DM, actually, the thing is that I don't know anything about computers. I don't know anything. I'm so bad in computers. I don't even know what kind of RAM do I have in my PC. My PC is an old one. All I know is I have a 2070 Ti GPU, and I don't even know what kind of processor I have. So no idea, unfortunately. When I was choosing my monitors, I went into the shop and told the guy, hey, listen, I need some good monitors for trading, for trading. And the guy looks at me, well, you can choose whatever you like. And that's it. So I'm not good in this one. I wish I could help you, DM. So Serotonin, I was the rage chop. Yo, the rage chop you up, man. And I couldn't stomach a red day. That's my biggest problem too. The red days to go through a red day. That's like so hard to do. You have to have the nerves for it, and it's really hard to do. I made 453 times 4 in PAs for Apex. Ijaz, get out of here. You made money on BULENOX. You made money on Apex. Get out of here. Now you're just making me more FOMO. Oh man, congrats! You're making huge things here, huge profits. Ijaz, come on. With that kind of money, you should not be trading on Friday as well. You should be having a long weekend. Ah. Anyway. Anyway. Getting closer to our TP. Let's see if we can get it or not. I still like the targets up there. We have the money bag too. You know. Hey Naz, what's going on? Winning much? Well, at least after the London craziness. I mean, nothing happened. Thank God I survived London, but now I feel a little bit of FOMO for not putting this trade on the Quant Tower accounts. I only put this on this trade await MyFundedFutures account. But yeah, driving me nuts with all his losses. Come on, he's not losing. I was checking his stream earlier, but he is like winning all day. I saw that he made the big winners, so he's winning. Let me check him out. Let me check him out because he's winning big time. Oh, he's winning. All right. You're just trolling. I'm using averaging up and down strategy until it's green like 20. That's a good one, Ijaz. Nice there. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if we will get this one. We can retrace back down to the 40s, reprice those levels. On the 5-minute, strong rejections above these levels, so I was expecting some kind of a rejection. You know what? Since this is a great day, let's not ruin it. I sold one contract. I sold one manually, and I left that one like that, and I'm putting it to break even like this. So there it is. At least we banked some profits here. Trust yourself, for you been on point with your trade ID entries as of lately. No, I am not trolling. Man has been losing and lost a PA. I mean, anyone can lose a PA account. So even ICT can lose PA accounts. Oh, I'm just reading that anyway. Just you are going to have to learn here, since you think trading is gambling. What? In MyFundedFutures, is there any daily limit or only yeah, no daily limit, only end of day, so you can use your full margin from previous day. So full end of day limit, you can go all the way down, all the way down. His stops are where his entries should be, just saying. Hold on, guys. Let me check something. Come on, come on. I think he just did a great job, by the way. I mean, making those profits. Hi again. Hey, yeah. Can I withdraw the 3000 USD profit once I reach in a 50k funded futures account? Please, I've gone through the rules, but they are not very clear. So the 50k, hold on, not all of it first, but let me give you a hint here. Just a second. Futures payout policy right here. So the minimum payout threshold on a 50k account is $2,000, right? So you can withdraw up to 60% of your profits on a buffer zone. So the buffer zone building phase, you can withdraw up to 60% of your profits, which means, if I'm correct, which means $2,000, that is $1,200, and plus the $1,000, you know, so you can withdraw $2,200 minus $100, which locks in, I think. Let me clarify that. I think there's an extra $100 that locks in, but I don't know. But you should be able to withdraw at least $2,100, I think. I've not been there with MyFundedFutures yet. I'm looking to do it, but you should be able to withdraw $2,100. Yeah, you're welcome. So 60% of the threshold, and plus the extra above that. And I don't know about the $100. I'm not sure. But 2,100 should be okay. If you are above the buffer, no, only for the buffer, Ken, only for the buffer, So above the buffer, you can withdraw more. But hey, first of all, Money, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right, but the withdrawal cap on a 50k account for a starter account is $2,000 per withdrawal. So every 14 days for the first 3 withdrawal, the withdrawal cap is $2,000, which means not even $2,100, $2,000. You should be able to withdraw $2,000, and on the next 14-day period, you should be able to withdraw more, right? After 3 withdrawals, there is no more cap. The minimum withdrawal is $1,000. The maximum withdrawal for one withdrawal for the first 3 withdrawals on the 50k is $2,000. So that's the only thing. What is the scaling rule? The scaling rule is actually of how many contracts can you open. So, but that's actually absolutely fine. Let me show you. So here's the scaling plan. On a 50k account, you can start with 2 minis or 20 micros. On a 150k account, you can start with 3 minis, 30 micros. Also for the funded account, both on evaluations and funded accounts. So it scales up. If you go to profit for $1,500, you can go with 3 minis or 4 minis on the higher, the bigger accounts. And so on. $2,000 above $4,500, you can go with 15 minis on the 150k, which you don't need. Actually, 2 minis or 20 micros are perfectly enough even for 150k accounts, so you don't have to worry about that. That's the scaling rule. It's very simple, actually. It's very simple. No big deal. Still hovering here, but I thought we are gonna take out that high. If it's not gonna go higher, well, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to see where this goes. Push the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. All right. All right. Still hovering here. Nothing special. Nothing extra is going on so far. Oh, look at that. I think I made a good decision for closing a partial up there. Retrace, pulling back down, which is not a good sign. If it goes below here, might want to take out that low. What is ES doing again? Terrible price action right now. I thought we are gonna have that push. Oh, we don't have it. I'm gonna tell you something. It sounds weird, but there are actually studies about this. They say that many times even the weather is having an influence on the market price. I don't really know the details, but there is actually a study about this, that the weather has to do something if prices go up or down, or we have a faster price action or momentum during the trading day or not. It's actually crazy, I know. I don't know. I don't know. But I was reading. I'm going to search for that article. I'm going to post it out sometime here in the chat or on the community tab. It's just actually interesting. I don't even know which scientist did that, but the weather has something to do with the price action. It's crazy, right? I don't know. I didn't read the full article, but it's about how people are behaving on that particular day. How I don't know. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. Especially in the currency markets, they say, not just in index futures or indices, but in currencies too. So the weather. There's so many things I have to be grateful for. The birds are singing outside. Beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's a good day to be alive. All right. Severe weather events like hurricanes. Yeah, I mean that too. But not just that, but I understand what you're saying there. Not just that, they say if there's not even any hurricane or stuff like that, even if if the weather is sunny or rainy, that's also has to do something with price action. If it's snowing, if it's sunny, if it's too cold, if it's too hot, everything has to do something. I mean, somehow it connects to price action. I don't know. Sunshine and warm temperatures can lead to a more positive mood among investors. Oh, that's actually not even funny. That's serious. Stock prices to rise. Oh, wow. So there you go. Studies are showing that. Look at this. We're gonna go for the profits. Nice. Beautiful trade, I must say. This was a nice one. At least made $200 on it, which is a good one. But only micros. I still believe we should be going for the 356 area. So maybe I should have left one runner and maybe trail my stop a little bit closer at that point. This was a good trade, actually. This was a good one. If you like this trade, subscribe to the channel. Okay. Okay, guys, it's time for me to insert. No, I'm not going to insert an ad. We're gonna wait. Gonna take me higher. All right, all right. Still waiting. The weather is very bad in London, so maybe that maybe that explains. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Approaching lunch hour. In an hour. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, until we wait, I'm gonna insert an ad. If you can support the stream, just watch the ad, even you can click on it. I'm curious about the results. So, sorry, ad is incoming in 3, 2, 1. Here comes the ad. Alright. Maybe some of you guys don't see the ad, but that doesn't matter. YouTube does what it wants to do. Let me check. Possible targets. What is ES doing? Look at this. Wow. I wasn't really... Oh, this is still NQ. Alright. Let's check ES. So, yeah, look at ES. Back to the mid-range. Back to the mid-range, and it looks very heavy. Watch this one. It still looks very heavy. Took out this high. No structure shift yet, but definitely feels heavy. There is an order block up there on the 1 minute. I'd like to see it go up to 52.05. That's a nice 10 handles up there. Could this be considered as a shift? I'm not considering it until we're trading below this level at 51.92. Almost like an SMT, but it's not. It's just not. Let's wait for more. Okay, going back up there. Still don't know what to make of this price action. Why do I feel that this one would still go up? On ES, I do like this target right there on the 1 minute. At least at the beginning of the All right. Try to scalp it maybe. If we can. There we go. All right, let's go. It's only 4 ticks. All right. Also, I need to check something. On TS Trader. There. So let's see what is going on. Is ES trying to go higher here? I wonder. Or not? Maybe not. I went long on ES, but it's not connecting normally. It's not showing up. It's not showing up on TradingView. Only for a scalp on ES, but trying to figure out the issue here. That's why I logged into TS Trader, and it's also not showing the trade panel normally. It used to show it, but it's not showing up now. I don't know what's the issue. Interesting though. So I'd like to see ES pushing higher to 04. I can't even put a limit order. Is that trade await issue or what the hell is going on? No giveaways right now in New York, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Not promising anything. Unfortunately, I'm not swimming in money yet. But dude, I have to tell you that if someone is going to ask for the giveaway in crypto, I mean, it's absolutely not the winner's fault or anything, because I understand that for some places you're not able to send money properly, but you know, I wanted to send $20 in USD coin, And by the time I sent $20 by converting my dollar to crypto, sending it to a wallet, and also adding extra money for the guys, because transferring the money out from the wallet is also a lot of money. So I didn't want it to be a douche by sending them $20, and the transaction fee is going to eat up their profit for the account. So I sent them $30, not $20. I sent them $30. So by the time I sent the giveaway, it cost me $42 each. So $84 for the two giveaways. And instead, I could have done it with a debit card transfer for $1 or less. So it was double the cost to send it in crypto. And I'm not sure I'm going to do it again in crypto, the giveaway. So either way, PayPal, debit card transfer, or international bank wire transfer. Those are the best ones. It costs double the money. I mean, not that I don't care, but this way we could have done like 2 more giveaways today, because it was double the money. But it is what it is. It is what it is. At least they got the prize. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do crypto giveaway next time. It's a lot. It's a lot of transaction fees and conversion. Super expensive. Super duper expensive. Okay, I did scalp another extra $200. I closed down the ES trade here when it broke the high. I couldn't show you guys because the only option I could close the trade while I was watching the chart is to hit the button on TS Trader to close everything. And there was no trade button on the screen. I don't know what's going on with trade await. That's why I'm not going to do trade await account anymore, that's for sure. But at least we're up today. $344. Yeah. On the evaluation, but I'm still bullish on this one. Trade await. Only the platform. It's only the platform. Trade day? Oh, trade day. They're a good prop firm. Trade day. As much as I heard from them, so no issue with trade day. I'm gonna be affiliated with them soon as well. So go check him out. I want to go with Take Profit Trader too, and Trade Day and Elite Trader Funding. Those are the ones I want to try out. Still waiting for this Nasdaq to do something significant. A bit difficult with TOPSTEP. Well, It depends on which part is difficult, because every prop firm is difficult on their own way. But TOPSTEP is great, but on the funded level, there's a little bit of extra stress. Not the big a deal, but same goes for all of them, I guess. Look at this, we're going higher. I'm telling you, this area here is a target with this order block. So should be 5204. Should be 5204 on ES. That's a good target. 18285. Still nothing. Also, the Nasdaq on the 15-minute chart, look at this. And I'm talking about this candle, this long wick candle down here. That gives me the feeling like even if it takes out these highs, it can return to this level any moment. Any moment. All right, still nothing. Very slow. Very slow price action. Approaching the lunch hour soon. All right. Well, guys, I think I'm just going to call it right here because I don't see anything special. Not sure I want to sit this through. And I'll be back in the London session tomorrow, as usual. It's already scheduled. So thank you so much for all the support. And if you want to support more, you can use my codes and links to grab your future funded accounts. And thank you for everyone for keeping me company and everything. Push the like, subscribe to the channel. Giveaways are coming. All right. This was a great day actually. So I enjoyed it very much. And what I can tell you is maybe tomorrow we're gonna full send a few accounts. Who knows? But thanks again for being here. Have a great evening, morning, or night, and See you guys tomorrow in the London session. Cheers, everyone.